Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Instagram story to highlight. Highlight is where you put probably important memories in your Instagram, and then you can watch it again, or other people can watch it again in the highlight tab like this. Okay, in the highlight in this one. So since I haven't added a story, so I'm going to find it in my archive story. So go to your profile and then click on the three lines icon and click on archive, and then here go to the stories archive, and then find the stories Instagram story that you want to add into the highlights. So for example, I'm going to add this story into highlight. So what you need to do is open the story and click on highlight option at the bottom, this one, and choose where you want to put it, or you can also create a new highlight. I'm going to put it on this one, and then just like that, the stories has been added into the highlight. Okay, so that's it for me. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.